Hi everyone, Bailie here from East End Children's Center. Today we are outside in my backyard. Yeah, you can see I'm not inside as usual. Today we're playing outside together. And today we're not only playing outside, but we are making a science experiment. We're gonna do a science experiment together. So, have you ever heard of a volcano? Have you ever heard of a volcano? Do you know what a volcano is? It is a mountain that explodes. That is so cool. It explodes hot lava. Yeah, so today we are going to be making a mountain that explodes lava. But we're not going to be using real lava because real lava is really hot. So we're going to be making our own fun lava. And we're not going to be making our volcano out of paper mache or paper. We're going to be making it out of snow because there's so much snow around us. We should use it, right? Yeah, so to get started on our volcano, we should make a mountain, right? The first thing we need is a mountain. And to make our mountain, we need to make a pile. We're making a pile of snow. So let's make a pile of snow. I have lots of snow around me, and I'm gonna put my gloves on to protect my hands. Are you ready? Okay, here we go, making a pile of snow. Okay, so here's our mountain. It's nice and tall. You could even make it taller if you like. I'm just gonna add a little bit more snow to it. But it seems like it's just a big hill and nothing for the lava to come out of. That seems weird. Doesn't lava have a hole, or doesn't a volcano have a hole at the top that lava comes out of? Yeah, I think so. So I think I need to make a little hole. All right, I'm gonna start digging a hole. You know what? I think I'm gonna try something else. So I have a glass here. It's a cup that I drink water out of. And this is what we're gonna put our ingredients in for the lava. So I'm gonna see if it can fit inside. Oh man. It looks like it's breaking the mountain. So I guess we're just gonna have to build it again, but around the cup. Should we do that? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we have our mountain all made again, and we have our cup inside to... Okay, so this is our mountain. This is our volcano. And up here you see I have a cup to hold all of our ingredients. Wow. Okay, so now we have our mountain all made, or our volcano. And we need some ingredients. What are the ingredients that make things fizz up to make our lava? I remember thinking back to when I made a volcano before. We used baking soda and vinegar. But where can I find baking soda and vinegar? Huh. Oh, wow! I have baking soda and vinegar right here. So what we gotta do is we gotta pour the vinegar in the cup, and then when we're ready, we can pour the baking soda, and it might just bubble over to make a volcano. What do you think? I think so too. Okay, so let's pour some vinegar. Okay, good stuff. So we have our vinegar inside of our volcano now. And now we just need to add the baking soda. But here's the thing. Baking soda's, whoa! Baking soda's white. And vinegar's clear. But lava, what color is lava? It's red and orange. And I would usually use food coloring, but I don't really have food coloring right now. What could I use instead of food coloring? I have an idea. I have a seasoning called paprika. Do you think this will work? It's red. I've never tried this before, so it's an experiment for all of us. So I'm gonna put some paprika into my vinegar. Gonna put lots and lots. Okay. I forgot a spoon to mix. Good thing we're outdoors. I'm gonna go get a stick. I found a stick. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Ooh, it looks kind of bubbly. Okay. Do you think we're ready to put the baking soda in there? Yeah? Okay, let's see. Let's see if it makes a volcano. Are you ready? Ooh, I gotta open it. Ready, Freddies? Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It did make a volcano. Wow. Look at it bubbling. It's a snow volcano. Oh my goodness. Look at it all falling onto the snow. What do you think will happen if we put more baking soda? Do you think it'll bubble up more? Look at these bubbles. Do you think I should pop it? Pop. Oh. Wow! Do you think we should put more baking soda? I think I will. Ready? Okay, here we go. Uh-oh, doesn't look like much is happening. Let's get my stir stick. Not much. What if we add more vinegar? I'm gonna get some more vinegar here. Here we go. Wow, it's really pouring out like a real volcano. Oh my goodness. Wow, guys, that was a great experiment. We made a volcano out of snow, and we only used 3 other ingredients. We used vinegar, we used baking soda, and we used paprika, which that's a new one. I've never used paprika before. But if you don't have food coloring, now you know you can use paprika. Okay, well, thank you so much for playing in the snow with me, and I hope we can do an experiment soon. Stay warm.